In this video, we are looking for steps to upgrade CMDB API on TrueSight publishing server. These steps need to be performed when there are NOE plugin related errors seen while attempting to publish a service model from CMDB to TrueSight. One of these errors can be seen in pserver trace file and NOE plugin log on CMDB server. These errors gives an indication that the CMDB APIs that the publishing server uses does not match the CMDB APIs. And we need to upgrade this API on publishing server to match the CMDB APIs. To address this, we need to follow the steps mentioned here and upgrade the CMDB APIs on publishing server. This is TrueSight Infrastructure Management Server where publishing server is installed. We need to copy the files from your CMDB server to your TrueSight publishing server. Go to the install directory of your CMDB server, program files, BMC software, Atrium Core, CMDB, STK64, bin location. This is the location from where we need to copy the jar files to your publishing server. The jar file that needs to be copied is AR API, AR plugin SVR, and CMDB API. You need to copy these files and move it to the location on your publishing server. Then another file, NOE plugin, needs to be copied from CMDB server, CMDB, plugins, NOE. NOE API jar needs to be copied from here, and you can again move it to your publishing server. Once the files are copied from your CMDB server to your publishing server, we need to first stop the publishing server process. Once the pserver is stopped, we need to take the backup of your pserver binary from this location, pw server bin pserver.pat. Take a backup of this file and place it at some safe location. We have copied it here. Once the files are copied, you need to edit the pserver.bat file and look for the entry defining these jar files. Let's copy these entries, and before making any changes, we'll comment these entries over here. We need to replace the jar files with the correct file name, the one that we have copied from our CMDB server. You can copy the file names from here and replace it at this location. The file names will vary depending on the CMDB versions that you're using. Once the changes have been made, you can save this file. Now we need to copy these 4 jar files to pw CMDB library. You can copy these files here. Do not remove the existing jar files as they are used by the TrueSight processes. We can now start the publishing server. You need to make sure you close the publishing environment. This command will remove all published data from the cell and the published data from the CMDB. It will also remove the publishing filters. Once you close the publishing environment, we now need to restart the publishing server process. And now you can publish the new service models that you have created from CMDB to TrueSight publishing server. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.